Hey everybody, it's Tim from Tadabase here, and welcome to Build It with Tim. On today's episode, we're going to learn a super quick tip about how to add dynamic status indicators to your application in order to add a little bit of extra visual flavor and, of course, visual information directly to your users. All right, now stay with me on this one because we're going super quick today. This will only take a couple minutes to set up. All we need to do in order to create these dynamic status indicators is we need to have some sort of data with a value that we want to make a comparison against, or data that we want to check and see if it matches a particular value. So in my case, I have this list of products and a list of current inventory. You can see we must be some sort of food warehouse because we have a lot of inventory here. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to go to my page builder. I'm going to add a new page. We'll call this products, add it to an existing layout and menu, and I'm going to choose a table component to display my products. Inside of our table component, we can now click on any of the fields in order to access a field editor. Now, the feature we're going to be utilizing here is display rules. Now, display rules exist in a few different places throughout the Tadabase platform, such as a form component, but here inside the table component, display rules can be applied directly at the field level. This means I can add a new rule that's going to apply only to the inventory field, and I can define that rule to say if the inventory is, let's see, lower than 1,000, but higher than 800, we can set the background color to be something like a light green. Set an icon to let us know that the inventory level is okay. Of course, we can set a color on this as well. And then we can continue to add more rules to change the status indicator and make it dynamic based on the actual field value that is currently there. So we have in between 800 and 1,000, if we do is higher than, let's say, 500 and lower than 800, we can apply a different background color with a different icon. So for this one, we'll make it kind of orange. And this one will get a warning sign letting us know that our inventory is getting close to being out and that it's getting close to the time of reordering. And then we can add a third rule here that says if it is higher than 0 and lower than 500, then we'll make it red. So here's our last rule. Letting us know that, hey, it's time to reorder. This product has gone below what we deem as the appropriate inventory level. As we make the inventory value higher or lower, depending on the thresholds that we've set within our display rules, this status indicator is going to change dynamically. All right, so that's it for this week's episode of Build It with Tim. Like I said, it was a super quick tip, but it's also a super useful tip. All right, so have fun building this into your applications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care.